Welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to see how to insert a DWG file directly into Plan 7 Architect. To begin, you can click on File, then we'll click on Import. Finally, we can select Import. You can see that all file types are available here. We're interested in DWG files, which are created in AutoCAD or equivalent software. I'll choose a file, for example, the first floor, but you just need to click on Open. Plan 7 Architect will ask us for the reference unit, in this case, millimeters. We can even change the text style directly during import, which is really convenient and very fast. Furthermore, we can change the layer colors, or at least the presence of layers, such as furniture. Are the furniture layers present or not? Are the hatches present? Do the stairs appear or not? It's very practical to be able to change the appearance during insertion. Finally, we confirm an insertion point here by clicking on the mouse, and then you can use the double click with the middle mouse button to find your inserted plan as an object. The second step simply requires drawing walls and openings on top of it. Before starting, we can click on the units to set the corresponding unit, i.e., millimeters. OK. Similarly, we will adjust the options here. We will need to select interactive dimensions. And here select millimeters. OK. When we click on a wall, we will be able to tell it that it is 150 millimeters, and therefore when we click here to start drawing a wall, you will see that you will have exactly the same wall. We will click one last point to confirm, and we can use Escape or Select to go here. If you switch to 3D and use the double click with the middle mouse button to find your plan, you will see that the walls appear. Finish. All that remains is to indicate the openings, and our plan will be complete. I'll see you in other videos.